Welcome to AHA Radio, the first interactive, personalized radio experience that gives drivers access to great web content, but with an interface that isn't dangerous when behind the wheel. Whether it's traffic reports, info about nearby food options, podcasts, or audible versions of Facebook and Twitter, AHA Radio has you covered. Now let's update our preset stations and get started. Here you can add or remove stations as well as change the order in which they appear. The order is important because with a simple two-finger swipe you can easily jump from station to station. If you see a gear symbol, that means there are settings or options for that station. As you can see, we already have some food choices set up. You can change these to whatever you like. If you'd like to add stations, you can choose from a variety of podcasts covering a broad range of topics, Twitter lists, and several AHA stations. While we're here, let's add the My Media station so we can access content from the iPod, the karaoke station to hear other AHA users singing in their cars, and the My Feed station, which I'll tell you a little more about in just a moment. As you add more stations, new pages are added to the right as needed. Now let's take a look at some of these stations. For a quick update on the major roads that are closest to your current location, check out the nearby traffic station.
I-280 North. From De Anza Boulevard in Cupertino to El Monte Road in Los Altos is green, with a travel time of about 6 minutes.
You'll get audio reports of the nearest freeways in both directions, with traffic flow information, as well as incident reports from traffic services and other AHA users. You can also set up custom road segments in the My Traffic station. While we're here, let's report some traffic. 280 northbound, coming up on De Anza Boulevard. Traffic slowing down. Looks like there may be an accident. Watch out.
Thanks for leaving a shout. It will be reviewed and posted soon.
With AHA Radio, you can also keep track of what your Facebook friends are up to by heading over to the Facebook station.
Vinsarlito. Fun video short we made about the Yelp iPhone app, Ingle. Aaron Colapi.
When you're all caught up with your Facebook friends, you can also listen into topical Twitter lists by visiting one of the Twitter stations.
Jessica Simpson. I have the utmost respect for the entire cast and crew of Entourage.
Maybe you're in the mood for a podcast. With AHA Radio, you can stream the latest episodes of your favorite podcasts right to your phone. No downloading needed.
This is Fresh Air. I'm Terry Gross.
If you're looking for a different episode, just swipe to the side for previous shows. If while you're listening to a podcast you need to report a traffic incident, just tap the traffic button and jump over to the nearby traffic station to leave a shout. When you're finished, you can jump right back to your podcast.
To drink alcoholic
When it's time to make a pit stop for some food, you can check out the Hungry station to get personalized results based on your own preferences.
BJ's Restaurant and Brew House is on Infinite Loop near De Anza Boulevard.
AHA Radio will read the results to you, and if you need to pull up a map or call ahead for reservations, just tap either of the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Maybe you want some comedy. We've got that covered too.
New York! There we go, man. I'm loving it here.
AHA Radio may have been optimized for use while you're behind the wheel, but when you are driving, AHA offers a more interactive display mode with more options. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Let the bases in. It's kind of skeezy, that's why I don't want to win.
Just tap the arrow at the side of any shout and you'll see options to vote, follow a user, or even email that shout to a friend. The follow option is almost like creating your own custom greatest hit station. Once you follow a user, all of that user's shouts will appear in your My Feed station. Oh, and this works for podcasts too.
Yeah.
Like I was saying, I love driving with traffic. It was the 3rd of September.
An important station that we haven't mentioned yet is the AHA Help Station. It's the place to go to get information about all things AHA related. Tips, tutorials, advice, and you can even leave us messages. Just make sure you've registered first or leave a message with an email address. Don't worry, they go only to us. Thanks again for downloading AHA Radio. Be safe out there.